Right, I'm Shorline, and this is my Ford Transit. I converted it from a builder's van into a camper van for just £700. Join me and my adventures and vlogs with Project Camper and enjoy the video. Been thinking quite a lot over the last 24 hours, I suppose. What to do? I can't afford to lose another £3 grand. Can't afford to go and buy another van now. So yeah, me and the Transit. So gonna do some upgrades. Don't know what, but there are a couple of things I want to do. Like right here, okay. I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to raise the bed up a bit because I want to fit my 12-volt fridge in here. Because at the moment I'm just using, if you've seen it, that from Lidl's. Is it Lidl's? Yeah, it's not very efficient. In fact, I've already had the battery alarm come on. So yeah. So I'm going to raise the bed, probably about this height. Then I can get my 12-volt, what's it called, Shorline marine fridge in there, which I bought brand new, and I dented. Not, you know, another unhappy day. Also on the back, where is it? The solar panel is there. I'm going to move it to there, and on the back door here, there, I'm going to fit ladder like that. I have rang the bank, and eBay was super unhelpful. So yeah, gutted really. I still can't believe that. Well, I suppose it's the way of the world, isn't it? Just greed. It's all about the trying to extract it out of people that haven't got any, or have got it, but have a lapse of concentration. So yeah, me and Project Camper. Well, that's a YouTube channel, but me and this Transit. I think I'm gonna, because I love it. I love this van. You know, I built it from nothing. You know, from when all this was nothing, and I've been places in it. And yeah, what I might do is the walls here, because this van doesn't half get hot, but I don't want to be putting roof vents because they just leak in my experience. So what I might do is I might see if I can, it'd probably be best to do this side, this bit here, maybe cut out a slot, you know, like they do in the pods, because it is well insulated, and I can trim it back a little bit, and then I can get, I'll probably, well, I'm 5'8", and I reckon I can probably extend it a couple of inches. We all need a couple more inches, don't we? So yeah, I'm going to try and extend it out. I haven't quite decided yet, but definitely going to raise the bed, get the fridge in here. That won't kill my 220 amp AGM battery. The Victron Energy Smart BMV, is it BMV? Battery management, well, yeah, that thing there. That won't go off, because it's been off once. The battery was nowhere flat, but I was quite, what's the word? Reserved on the alarm. So yeah, and then I can set that up properly. So yeah. I have, on the last video, updated the description, but at the end of this video I'm going to name him, both names, and with his phone numbers on there, and his bank account details. So if you are in the position to go and buy another van and you use eBay, please write down the phone numbers, okay, and the bank account details at the end of this video. Just write them down and keep them somewhere safe. And if you do see a van you like, okay, please just have a quick look and and see that it's not the same person, because it's not a nice feeling. It really isn't a nice feeling. You know, I came home last night and yeah, I had a few beers. Yeah, I didn't wake up with a hangover, so I obviously didn't have enough. But yeah, I just want to say thanks to my mate, actually, mate Kelvin. He gave me this. It's pretty cool. Little fan. Don't know if you can see it, but it's also got the date on it. Cheers, buddy. It's really cool, actually, because you can sit here. There you go. And get some cool air. It's like having air con. So I didn't need to spend all that money on a Sprinter or a new Crafter just because it's got air conditioning. My mate's given me this pucker. So anyway, yeah, I think that's about it really. And need to get this done, don't I? I hate it. I feel like just talking like this. Is that alright? Anyway, I've babbled on. This is just a quick update. So yeah, I really appreciate everyone's kind comments. I really do. You don't you don't realise there are some lovely people out there, and they do generally, you do all generally, well, you all, everyone that's commented, right, I have written back because I appreciate it, and my subscriber count's going up. I don't know if it's because of the content or it's it's genuine love for the channel. I am who I am. I'm just a nice person. I am a nice person, and I don't really like it when, I think one of my old mates used to say, he said, kindness is seen as a weakness. I disagree, to be fair. Kindness is just being nice. It's not a weakness. It shows compassion. And the van life community definitely has got that. So I want to thank everyone for all the love and support. Thank you. I'm going to go now before I start getting a bit tearful. So happy Saturday. Have a great Sunday. And hopefully I shall do the upgrades. I'm not going to film them. I mean, I might do. I might time lapse it. In fact, yeah, I think I will actually. I'm going to time lapse it, and then yeah, string a video together, and then you can see that this little van, how much you can cram into a short wheelbase Transit with semi-high top with air conditioning. Anyway, cheers everyone. Love you all. Cheers, bye. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is going to be sort of like a multi-day sort of video, vlog. Got some more stickers to post, and a couple this time, but yeah, thank you very much. And what I'll do is, at the moment, you can see I got my fridge in the back, and that's just amazing. But I haven't, if you look there, I need to remake the chest of drawers. I'm going to try and use the original chest of drawers that were there. But there's a bit of a gap between, but I'm sure I can make some more storage solutions out of that gap. So go and post these two. Oh, it's a lovely day today. Oh, let me rip the door off. So yeah, let's put it on there. So you can see now that got my ladder on and solar panels on, working great. I've put the holes through the roof. Oh, panic then, door wouldn't open. So yeah, there's the I put the holes through the roof in a proper, one of those proper grommety type things. I went a bit OCD with that as well, to be fair. Oh, sorry about this. Yeah, I went a bit OCD about it really. I drilled the holes, painted them after filing out into sharp edges. Then I painted them, let that go off, and put rubber grommets on them, and then thread the solar power cables through their grommets in the little conduit top box you get, and then like placed it over it. But just before I set it down, I siliconed with some poly. It's not silicone actually. It's PU glue. It's PU. It's polyurethane plastic. So that ain't ever going to come out. And then I'll put, after about 20 minutes, because it goes off quite quickly, put a very small amount of silicone around it, and then PU'd around the glands, whatever that, yeah, that gland box, and then weighted that down, and yeah, that ain't going to go anywhere. And I can't really see it leaking because it's as I say, it's a polyurethane 2-pack type resin. You're using a gun, and yeah, they use it for plastic welding, and that ain't going anywhere now. And just to double check, because that stuff's it's grey, and the box was black, I've put a very tiny thin seal of black RTV, so which is silicone, so hopefully it should never leak. Never know. But yeah, so how's everyone going? As I say, this video is going to be a multi-day, you know, over the week, because of what happened. I know at the weekend I'm still not grumpy about it now, but it's just a waste of money, isn't it? And the banks have got to be held responsible, because they're just facilitating, aren't they? At the end of the day, fraud, you know. But hey ho. Right, so I'm going to go home now. I'm going to pop into Santander actually. I want to see them, I want to speak to them, and then I'm going to see if I can put together this chest of drawers. I'll take it apart and see what I can do. Just make it smaller so it fit in the gap, and then I am going to also, at the back here where the kitchen's, like, I just painted it black because it's been like that for a while. I went to, a while ago now, it's John Virgo's meet, Bon Voyage meet, and I just wanted it to look tidy, so anyone who saw the van, it'd be, oh, that don't look too bad. Now it's a bit scratched up and abused, so I quite like the, well, it's the pallet wood and Hessian look. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna see if I can do something like that. So anyway, I'm probably not going to video any of it, to be sure. Well, to be fair, sorry. I'm not very good at recording stuff like that. You know, I put it on a time lapse and it just looks like every other video really. And I'm not very good at explaining myself. I'm a doer. I can't explain things, I just do it. When somebody says to me, how'd you do that? I ain't got a clue. I don't know, I just did it. So, and there are better people out there. Go and listen to Greg Virgo. I mean, he's amazing. So, yeah, don't listen to me. But watch me. And oh yeah, today I just I saw it in here. I went on YouTube just a minute ago, and I got, what was it? 796 subscribers. I am. Oh, I don't know what to say, to be fair. I'm blown away, absolutely blown away. Also, all the comments from the last video. You guys are amazing. You really are. I mean, oh, listen to this. It's driven through Halfords at some speed, straight through, collected all the stickers and all the spoilers. Oh well. I'm not being funny, but I had a Mitsubishi Evo a few years ago, and that went like stink, and I left it looking standard. In fact, I even painted calipers graphite grey, because even though Brembo calipers are supposed to be red, it just looked like Halfords. It looked like a Honda Civic, you know. Well, it just looked like that. I didn't like it. And I was even contemplating taking the Delta wing off the back, just put a little lip spoiler. But it is there for a reason, at speed. So anyway, yeah, I divulge. Sorry. Where was I? Can't remember. Why does your brain do that? It's almost like it forgets what you were saying or what you were doing. Anyway, yeah, a multi-day video or vlog. Oh yeah, that was it. Subscribers, nearly 800. I can't get over it. I really can't. I mean, I watch quite a lot of van life YouTube videos, vlogs and stuff, and they're all good. They are, you know, if you're brave enough to pick up a camera and make and record yourself, fair play. It is hard, and I don't like to edit my videos because you don't get any second chances in life, do you? That's it, one take, one opportunity, as Eminem would say. So yeah, it is what it is, isn't it? You got to be true, you know, and that's what I am. I'm true. I'm not going to give you any flannel, I'm not going to give you BS. I am what I am, and this van is what it is. You know, it's having some expensive stuff chucked in it now. It was supposed to be the budget build. I mean, originally it was supposed to be 1,500 quid. I mean, the van's still worth that sort of money, but the bits inside it now, they're super expensive. But it doesn't matter. I love it. And now, because of the situation that was, you know, last weekend, being ripped off for £3 grand, it's all I got. So I'm gonna make the use of what I've got. You know, I will be completely honest. I'm one of these people that aren't content. You know, I years ago I had some fast motorbikes, and I got into track days and bought myself a little CBR 600. Brilliant bike, absolutely brilliant. Round brands, fantastic. Completely spent so much money on it, it was just unbelievable. But it handled really, really well. But obviously, as you get used to it, the power fades. So then I bought myself an R1, and I did it up quite nice. My brother came round, he went, "Oh, I like that." Okay, so he bought it off of me, and then I bought a BMW S1000RR, and that's like a cheetah bike. You just overtake everybody. So I wasn't in the beginners, I was in the novice, and then one day I thought, oh, I was going to go in the in the loony club, as I called it. Me and my brother call it the loony club, super fast group. Still overtook a few people. I mean, there are some seriously quick people, and it turns out that the quick people are there practicing for BSB days and the Bempsey. So that was good fun. but it does get very expensive. And being that you've got a van and everything like that, I loved it. And that's what, I've always had camper vans and stuff like that, I've built them. But this time I really, when I had my Sprinter, I loved that Sprinter. I went everywhere in that. And that's what I wanted back. So, yeah. Anyway, I rattled on too much now, so I'm going to love and leave you. And hopefully pick this video up in a little bit. Cheers, bye. Hi everyone, welcome back. Or I should say, I should welcome myself back. Right, I went down to Santander and I just got to wait until NatWest get in touch with them, and then they do their little fraud thing, and then I'll see what happens. Anyway, in the meantime, onwards and upwards, smile on my face. My fridge. Oh. This is a Shorline fridge freezer. That is, oh, that's lovely. That is lovely. And I've got, ouch. Oh, what do I just, that hurt. Of course, beers. I've got some Turkish Delight. This is the model number. I don't know if you can see it. There. Look at these. I don't know if you can see them. They are lovely and cold. LED light, doesn't take much power. I've only put it on number 3. I think that's all I need really. Even the sticky bits are still on. But you get a little butter tray and eggs. Now I will do a full review of this, but I want to get this sorted out here. So there's my chest of drawers that I've taken out, and I want to get that into here. So I have to cut it up a little bit. So that's the plan of action. Whether it'll go okay, I have no idea, but that's what I want to do. So anyway, onwards and upwards. Let's go for it. Right, well that didn't take very long to take apart. In fact, it's quite well put together. What it was is the back panel was obviously just stapled in because it is strength. Obviously this is the top, but I'm going to try and make it the side because it's not far off. Perfect fit. And I can slide my table under there. So I'm going to see if I can turn this around. Now, this is obviously the top. Now the other at the bottom, or whatever way around, and I shall put the sliders, which are them, on here. That's the plan. Whether it does work or not, we shall see. Hi there. Right, well, it's quite dark now, so I managed to get what I wanted done to a point. As I say, I got the fridge in, and I've been mucking around with a chest of drawers. Now, it's not completely finished, but I've rearranged it. Instead of having long ways, I've made it go up. I've moved all the sliders and everything, and measured everything. So all I've got to do now is I'm going to make some fronts, and I'm going to redo, if you can see that. Now, where am I? Let me just turn the camera around, it'd be easier. So there you go. Fridge freezer. Lovely. Look at that. It's a proper 12 volt with Danfoss compressor, K series or K whatever, the newest compressor, most efficient you can get. And in the freezer, nothing in there yet. And then my rearranged chest of drawers. I've put this wood on here just to stop the doors from flying open because it's not quite finished. As I say, I want to, and there's the gaps there, but obviously when I make the new door fronts they will be higher. and then it will fit perfect. And then I'm going to do the same with these doors, to make some new doors. I'm just going to make them out of ply, and I'm going to have a thin piece of trim all the way around, like that. You know what I mean? And the same with here, a bit like this, but a bit different. And I'm going to try and get some Hessian, and I want to do the middles in Hessian, see what it looks like, because I think that'll look pretty cool. So yeah, bit messy. What are we on now? What's the battery voltage on? 13.54. So yeah, I've had the lights on all night. Can't remember what the time is now. What's the time? Oh, I don't know, I can't see the time. No. Yeah, so that's not a bad voltage really. Yeah, 1350 now, so it's going down a little bit. I think, oh yeah, because the compressor's just kicked in because I opened the door, innit? So there you go, short wheelbase Transit, semi-high top, with a fixed bed, a proper fridge freezer, chest of drawers for all the clothes and stuff, kitchen, toilet, grill, water, tap, well, running tap, diesel heater, mirror, and all the usual gubbins. And then you got USB 1 amp, 2.1 amp, USB 3, another little camera, cameras at the front, the smurred off sign which you can't see because it's probably too bright, and there we have it. Oh yeah, TV, EE Wi-Fi, not very good signal by the looks of it at the moment. Oh crap actually. So here we go. I don't think you can get much more in a short wheelbase Transit, and to be fair, there's a lot of room in here because of the seat. It's a swivel seat. So, yep. Anyway, let's turn this camera around again. So, all in all, this is a pretty cool little van, and I love it. I really do love it. It is a shame that obviously with the events and everything of the Sprinter, not Sprinter Crafter, it's you know, it's dampened me a little bit, but I'm not going to let it spoil everything. So yeah, and thanks for everyone who subscribed, and I need to be looking there. And another thing I'll say, I don't know if I said it before, I might have done, but all the comments in the video, you know, the last video, absolutely amazing. Oh, there's a fly in here. No, don't do flies. So yeah, I really do appreciate everybody's comments. I really, really do. You know, some of my friends and family haven't even bothered like saying hello or anything or whatever, but flies. But yeah, so I really appreciate everybody's thoughtfulness and kind comments, and it does go a long way in my book. It really, really does. You know, kindness to me doesn't cost a penny. It really doesn't. And yeah, I'm very, very grateful. So I've got some more stickers. I sent it. Oh, what did I do with them? I can't remember what I've done with them. I've had to buy some more. They're going like hotcakes. To top it off, the other day actually, my PayPal account got hacked. I was like, great. But hopefully, well, nobody actually got duped into paying, because they, you know, they're pretty vigilant. God, flies. So yeah, I'll fix that now. So if you do want a sticker, the description is on the home screen up there. Sorry, not a description. The description is down here. If you want to like and subscribe, click down there. I think that's where it is now. And yeah, if you want to look at the PayPal link, it's on the home page, and it's up there. So happy days. So I'm going to look forward to this now. Me and the transit van, the budget build that's gone a little bit over budget. Never mind. Right, well, I'm going to say goodnight to everyone now, and I really appreciate all your kind comments and everything, you know, like I said. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And hopefully what I'll do is I'll do the cupboard doors, give you a little update about that, and get out and use this bad boy. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye.